You can expect a lot from the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck still has fewer than 60,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, a front bench seat, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.